A stringent selection process will be conducted to determine the winners for this year's Fiji Performance Rights Association Music Awards. A total of 13 categories will be up for grabs this year. Close to 200 entries were received, with the most popular song category receiving the most entries. The panel of judges will consist of musicians, music teachers, academics and radio personalities. In 7 categories, the winners will be chosen by the panel of judges. The public will also have a chance to select winners on the awards night as well.
2 categories involve the public. The top 5 nominees or the top 5 musicians recognized by our panel of judges are chosen, and 2 weeks ago they were announced to the public. A voting platform put together by our mobile communications partner Vodafone Fiji gives the public the opportunity to take part in the choosing of Fiji's best musicians.
The Hall of Fame category will see 5 of Fiji's most memorable musicians inducted into the Hall of Fame.
Outstanding service to Fijian music